Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect your domain to HubSpot. Connecting your domain to HubSpot is a critical step in optimizing your online presence. It allows you to seamlessly host your website, landing pages, and emails within the HubSpot platform. This integration ensures that all your marketing and sales tools work together effectively. So let's dive into the process and make it as smooth as possible for you. The first step in this journey is to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, don't worry. Simply click on the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once you're in, you're ready to connect your domain. Once you've successfully logged into your HubSpot account, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to accessing the settings you need. Within these settings, you will find a section labeled Tools. Under this category, look for Content, then Domains and URLs. Here you will find several tabs, including Domain, URL Redirects, Custom SSL, and Assign Map. For our purposes, we're focusing on the Domains tab. Now, you have a couple of options to choose from. If you already have a domain, you can connect it directly. If not, you can purchase one through HubSpot. Alternatively, you can find a domain via GoDaddy or other domain registrars. In this guide, we're going to walk through connecting a domain that is already owned, specifically through GoDaddy. Let's proceed by clicking on the orange button labeled Connect a Domain. You will see two main options, connecting a root domain or a subdomain. A primary domain can be used as the home for your main website pages, blog, landing pages, and more. On the other hand, connecting an email sending domain adds an extra layer of authentication, improving email deliverability by helping them bypass spam filters. For this example, we're going to connect a primary domain. Enter the domain name you wish to use, such as gs.com, and then click Next. You will be prompted to specify the purpose of this domain connection, whether it's for website pages, blog, landing pages, marketing emails, or sales and service emails. Let's select Website Pages and continue by clicking Next. Now, follow the series of prompts to confirm your content type and hosting preferences. You'll need to locate your DNS record settings and update your DNS records accordingly. For those using GoDaddy, simply copy the necessary DNS information from HubSpot and enter it into your GoDaddy account. If you're not ready to complete these steps immediately, you have the option to save your progress and finish later. In summary, once you click on the primary option after setting up, you'll be asked to select a brand domain, which could be something like DeepLS. Just ensure you follow all the steps we've outlined to complete the process. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to connect your domain to HubSpot. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.